Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Well, woke up this morning, the refrigerator is 58 degrees. So I fixed it. It's on now. But it went off, and I don't know, we've got a windstorm going on today. So we had to throw out all our food. So I'm gonna try some MREs.
Yes.
We're gonna check that out. See what this is about.
So what is an MRE?
I don't know, meals ready to eat, I guess.
Oh, and it's an army thing, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that didn't open. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything about these.
Okay. I thought you.
No, I had to call my son because we had sea rations, which were cans.
Okay.
And we have chocolate sports bar.
Oh, wow.
We have condiments. Looks like napkins. Oh, Folgers Choice coffee, chiclets, a little Tabasco sauce. Look at this. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, and the one I picked is Cajun rice, beans, sausage. Little Folgers or Taster's Choice. The napkin. Lighthouse something. Napkin. Tabasco. That doesn't
I love
look,
Tabasco.
Tabasco
Oh, that's
looks
so
like it's,
funny.
yeah, Tabasco sauce.
I'm
Looks
not
like
so
it's
sure
not.
about that.
A couple of chiclets.
Aw, for fresh breath.
Matches.
Ooh.
Creamer, non-dairy, iodized salt, sugar, and moist towelettes. And
So did you say what this dish is?
yes,
Okay.
Cajun rice, beans, and sausage.
Oh, okay.
And this is cheese spread.
Oh, this kind of sounds familiar. Like on
Spoon. No. Cheddar cheese pretzels.
Oh, wow.
The main course.
Okay.
Cajun style beans with rice, beef. Beverage base powder, grape. So it must be like a grape drink.
Oh, okay.
And this looks like a crackers, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Dehydrated crackers and this is the thing that reacts with the water to cook the meal. So I don't know what. I have no idea what.
You might be able to hear the wind, and if you can see that swinging in the background, that's the force of the wind that's shaking this trailer, shaking this motorhome.
Oh, I have no idea how to cook this, so I'll have to read these. Oh, here we go. There's the bag right here.
Instructions.
Operating instructions. Do not throw unactivated heaters in the trash. Okay. Alright. Okay, it says 1. Remove memory parts from carton. Save carton. Oh, this goes back in here. Cook. Alright. Okay. Tear off top of bag. Place MRE pouch in bag with heater. Glad I wasn't starving.
I was just gonna say that. I'm glad you're not on a time limit.
No. I don't know. Things aren't open.
Maybe you don't have it open low enough.
I don't want to do this one. I think it has to fold here.
Oh, okay.
Bag. Remove. Push. Tear top of bag. Memory pouch. Here. level between lines. Oh, okay, you fill it with water right there. Okay, here we go.
Oh, there we go.
It does open.
There we go.
Okay, says turn off top of bag, place couch, and okay. While holding MRE pouch and heater above the lines, pour water into bag until it reaches the level between the lines. Slide heater MRE to bottom of bag. Oh, until it reaches. Then okay, so I have to fill it up before.
You have to put water in
Put water in before
first,
and
and
slide
then
this in.
oh, that's not very easy.
Well, why is it?
You have okay.
Okay, that's it. Not very much. A bit too much. Not very much. Okay. Slide back. Go to slide your bag. Full top bag. Slide. Slide. Full top bag. Slide.
I don't know.
Standing and underneath here, and you're curtain tip. Here, sworn to women. Jumps. Do not keeping in. You know, like here, you got every day. Up in your full day. After 10, 15 minutes, now you're back and you
Well, all right. So we'll be back in 10 to 15 minutes.
Yep.
Okay. So it's been 15, 20 minutes, 20-ish minutes.
15 minutes. Ooh, it stinks.
It stinks.
Yeah. Escaping. I always keep heater
Water.
located underneath the emery, bag full over top. After 10 to 15 minutes, depending on air temperature, top half of bag can be torn off and emery can be removed or eaten. Oh. Need emery to make sure it's top of bag can be torn off. Okay. Can be kneaded and eaten.
How does it feel?
It doesn't feel warm enough to me, but that's because I did the thing.
Oh, it doesn't feel warm enough.
No.
I think they're supposed to get really hot.
I know. I'm going to boil it, and just to make sure that it's warm. But I was supposed to put it with the heating things down. I had them up, so the water wasn't touching the heating things. So I'm going to try that.
Okay.
Put it on here and boil it.
Go.
Okay. The reason I didn't heat up, I Googled it online.
Oh.
Because I had sea rations, which was completely different. You used a P38 can opener to open ours. And this is something different. So I called my son. He told me kind of how to do it. So it didn't heat up the right temperature. So then I boiled it to the right temperature. And I got online. They said, oh, there's a package date. They're good for 5 years usually.
Oh.
And so this was March 3, 2004.
Oh,
They said the food's
almost
good, but it's like...
Oh, okay. So what you're saying is that the heater part's not going to work.
Yeah, the heater part's not going to work because it's too old.
But the food is still
yeah, they
good.
said the food's all sealed.
Oh.
So, yeah, he said it might, some of the flavor might be a little, but it's all sealed, so they're not going to get any. So I'm going to try this here.
Do you want a bowl or something?
No, you eat it right out of the package.
Oh, alrighty.
They don't have a bowl in the field.
Oh, that's true.
I don't think they have scissors in the field either, but... Okay.
I think you just rip the top off of
This
it.
is.
There, that's good, Daddy. Okay, what does this look like?
Dog food. No.
It smells.
Cajun rice with beans and beef sausage.
It smells pretty good,
is, yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Is it not bad?
No, it's good.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
Good. Well, Next time our fridge goes out,
MREs.
we know what we can eat.
Oh, and
Oh, okay.
cheddar cheese pretzels.
Mm-hmm.
What these are, they're combos.
Oh, they're cute little
these
combos.
are
The
good.
pretzel
Yeah.
combos.
Okay.
All right.
Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Ramona. RV broke.